Welcome back guys, and suppose your Redmi mobile is in aeroplane mode and you want to use mobile data, then what you need to do I am going to tell you in this video. This is very much this is going to be a very much interesting video for you. So we will put our here now what we can see that hi, I'm writing hi, and now it is working, means mobile data is working. Now I will put it into aeroplane mode. Now see, I will search for hi and nothing will come because no mobile data is there. Okay, so now I will do something, and after that internet will work even when my mobile is in aeroplane mode. What is that? I will go to the setting. Okay, then I will go to the about phone, then I will go to the all specs, and then I will go to the internal storage, and I will tap here 7-8 times, and then testing will appear. And we can also go here by entering a code into dialer pad. I have already posted a short video regarding that. So here we will go to the first phone information, and here one mobile radio power is, we will tap it on. Okay, now we will go outside. Okay, now we will go to the Google, and we will now search for hi. Then see mobile is aeroplane mode, Hindi to English, everything is working, means mobile data is working even when my mobile is in aeroplane mode. No Wi-Fi connection is there, nothing is there, mobile data is working. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.